Hi, this is Keith Shabbat, your friend in the mortgage business, and today we're discussing the importance of title insurance. Oftentimes people ask me, Keith, what is title insurance? What is a title policy? Who pays for it? And why do I need it? Assuming that you're financing your dream home, you need to have title insurance. In fact, your lender will insist on it. Because humans are involved in the recording of deed transfers and plotting land parcels, a lot can go wrong. You want title insurance because it will protect you against defects and human error. Depending upon the title company, you, the consumer, can choose among a variety of options, but the most common three choices are owners, lenders, and extended coverage. An owner's policy ensures a buyer that the title to the property is vested in the buyer and that it is free from all defects, liens, and encumbrances, except those which are listed as exceptions or are excluded from the policy's coverage. It also covers losses and damages suffered if the title is unmarketable and lost. If there is no right of access to the land, although there are basic coverages, expanded forms of residential owners policies exist that cover additional items of loss. The liability limit of owner's policy is typically the purchase price paid for the property. As with other property insurances, coverages can also be added or deleted with an endorsement. There are many forms of standard endorsements that cover a variety of common issues. With a lender's policy, the lender's policy, also known as the loan policy, is issued to only the mortgage lenders. Generally, it follows the assignment of the mortgage loan, meaning that the policy benefits the purchaser of the loan if the loan is sold. So some of the things that can go wrong with some of the basic lender title policy coverages, if in fact this will create them from ever coming back and causing an issue for you later on, are, for instance, mechanic liens or unrecorded liens, defects in other unrecorded documents. Some of the basic owner's title policy coverages cover clear title to the property, incorrect signatures or documents, forgery, fraud, defective recordation, restrictive covenants, encumbrances or judgments. Now, if you decide to actually include extended owner's coverage, this will actually protect you against building permit violations from the previous owner, subdivision maps, conveyance violations from previous owners, living trusts, structural damage from mineral extractions, and a variety of encroachments and forgeries after the title insurance is issued. Now, what's important for you to understand as well is that the title insurance is something that can be negotiated with the seller to be paid for by the seller, depending on what state of the United States you live in. This is Keith Shabbat, your friend in the mortgage business. Thanks again.